Welcome to the info with me, HUAWEI Nova 10, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it work. So I'll just swipe to unlock to directly unlock to show the home screen. So now let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here. It's fast and correct. Less than in 1 second we can unlock the device. It's just good to recognize our just my face. So I just want to try one more thing. I set up my face recognition without the glasses, and now I'll wear them and we'll see does this feature works with the glasses. So 1, 2, 3. As we can see, it's also work correct with the glasses. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.